Are your Hotmail folders starting to get out of control? Don't worry, we're going to clean up your inbox in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. You can type the URL directly or just search for Outlook login. Once there, click the sign in button at the top right and enter your Hotmail email and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it right there. After logging in, you'll land on your Outlook inbox. Click on Mail to access all your messages and folders. On the left-hand panel, you'll see the Folders section. This shows every folder you've created. Scroll through and find the one you want to delete. Once you've selected the folder, look for the three-dot icon, also called the ellipsis, which represents more actions. Click it, and you'll see the delete option. Clicking delete will trigger a confirmation message. This is just to make sure you don't remove anything important by accident. If you're sure, confirm the deletion and the folder will be permanently removed from your Hotmail account. A quick tip: if the folder contains important emails, move them to another folder first. Deleted folders may go to trash, where you can usually recover them for a limited time, but it's always safer to double check. And that's it. Your inbox is now cleaner, more organized, and ready to handle new messages without the clutter. If this guide helped you tidy up your Hotmail, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.